Tired of spending a fortune filling raised garden beds with bagged soil? There's a smarter, time-tested way. Instead of just soil, start with logs at the bottom. An old gardener's trick called Hugelkultur. Burying wood creates a living foundation that saves money and boosts soil health. Large logs and branches take up space, so you buy less soil and you can often find wood for free. As the wood breaks down, it acts like a slow-release fertilizer, feeding your plants for years. This method mimics a forest floor, recycling natural materials and building rich, fertile soil. You're not just filling a box, you're creating a self-sustaining ecosystem. It's a simple, sustainable way to start a thriving garden. Why not let nature do the heavy lifting? With this approach, your garden gets better every year. Save money, reduce waste, and grow healthier plants. Give your raised beds a hidden boost with this old trick. Here's the magic. Buried logs act like sponges, soaking up water and slowly releasing it to your plants. This natural reservoir means less watering, lower bills, and a more drought-resistant garden. Even if you're away, your plants stay hydrated thanks to the hidden wood. As the wood decomposes, it feeds the soil with nutrients and creates air pockets for healthy roots. Earthworms and beneficial microbes thrive, turning your bed into a living compost system. The result? Rich, airy soil and strong, resilient plants. Less work for you, more life for your garden. It's a win-win for busy gardeners and the environment. Let buried wood do the hard work. Your plants will thank you. Try it and watch your garden transform. Not all wood is garden-friendly. Choose aged hardwoods like oak, maple, or birch. They break down steadily and feed your soil for years. Fruit woods work well too. Softer woods like pine decompose faster, giving a quick nutrient boost. Avoid painted, stained, or pressure-treated wood. Chemicals can harm your plants. Steer clear of black walnut, which releases toxins, and rot-resistant woods like cedar for the buried layer. Look for free wood from your yard, neighbors, or tree services. Always ask about the tree type before using it. Turning yard waste into garden gold is resourceful and eco-friendly. The right wood means healthier soil and bigger harvests. Don't overthink it, just use what's safe and available. With the right foundation, your garden will thrive. Make every log count for a better bed. Building your bed is easy, just layer like a lasagna. Start with big logs at the bottom for water storage and structure. Fill gaps with smaller branches and twigs to add stability. Next, add a layer of green materials, grass clippings, kitchen scraps, or green leaves for nitrogen. Top with compost or aged manure for an instant nutrient boost. Finish with at least 6 inches of quality topsoil. Water deeply to settle everything in place. This layered system creates a living, breathing bed that feeds your plants all season. It's simple, effective, and long-lasting. You'll spend less time maintaining and more time harvesting. Try this method and see the difference in your garden. Your plants, and your back, will thank you.